With all the talk of late about the EA839 engine and different noises coming from piston slap and worn out damaged rockers, thought I'd just do a quick video of mine. I've just changed the oil. It's running 5W30 Castrol Edge, and it's got 57, nearly 58,000 kilometers on it. It's a 2018 model S5. So let's start it up and have a listen to the engine. Alright, now out the back here it sounds like this. That's running a stock exhaust system apart from the downpipe's been changed for a catless one. It's got two 2¼ inch MagnaFlow 200 cell cats where the resonators used to be, and so it sort of sounds like a resonator deleted car. Cat deleted car, but yeah, it's actually got cats in it. So around the front, here's what it sounds like after its oil change. There's the information. I always write that after a change. Now the noisiest thing in this engine bay, as everyone knows, is the high pressure fuel pump. A little bit of injector noise as well. Being deliberately quiet so you can hear the engine, but as you can hear, there's no other strange tapping noises. It's really just the high pressure fuel pump and the injectors. So I hope this video helps people who are wondering what normal sounds like, and if you've got a problem with yours, I hope it's an easy fix. Enjoy! And no, it's not a 2 litre. Some people think it is.